Good things happen on a Honda. You can go wherever you please because good things happen on a Honda. Let them happen to you. Let them
Ease. Cheese.
Mama suggested taking a bike to New Milford, go to our favorite Japanese restaurant. What? Oh, the helmet.
Yeah.
Bunny rabbit. I know. Cooled off.
Yeah.
Gonna have to go through Sherman on the way home. It's cool by the water. Brother, brother, brother. Wow, look at that line of traffic.
Wow. Must be a new learner up there. This is exceptionally bad.
Yeah, way
All
up.
these cars caught up.
Medicated. Yeah, I think this is a record of speed. They must be letting people out. Look at, now they're just medicated again. The one in that Subaru. There's about 12 school buses. Gap. You ever see so erratic?
I know. Look, great.
Unbelievable. Get me on the back roads.
Now, if only they connected this road back behind Walmart.
I know. Would have been nice if it went all the way through and then that side road and then went over where Candlewood Lake takes a right.
Yeah, like a lot of other towns.
And then you
have
could have
the
just
whole back way and then the way that GPS sends people.
Right. Could have completely avoided this altogether. Oh, the gas station.
Blacktop.
No, I saw that. Should park right up on there like everybody else. Uh-huh.
15 minutes.
15? Can't eat in 15. Oh. Gotta get that drunk on. Wow, look at, she's happy, boy. Look at that. She got her prize. She's holding that like a baby.
None of these people are here 15 minutes. Bullshit.
I know, I should have just parked there. How can they say that when there's a friggin' place to
The
eat?
whole row.
That doesn't even make any sense.
And then they make curbside
Well.
parking, which you would assume would also be Only 15 minutes, so why do you need the whole entire road?
But there's a restaurant here. How you doing? We got 15 minutes before we get kicked out of the parking lot. All the whole thing is 15 minutes. Yeah, just 2.
Okay, is this for regular or all you can eat?
Oh, regular. Yeah, I know what I want.
Okay.
Same thing. Good.
Do you like some drinks?
Yeah, but I think we already know what we want. We get the same thing.
Same time.
Take your time.
Yes.
Excuse me. I was saying we're ready. We get the same thing all the time. And I think you said take your time.
Sorry.
Would you like?
Gonna do the chicken hibachi
Yeah.
and ice water, please.
Sure.
I'm doing the same exact thing.
Same?
That's easy, right?
Yeah.
I thought you were like, take your time. And I was like, wait, maybe she don't know what I said.
Oh, sorry. There is the Korean soup and the hot salad with ginger dressing.
Thank
you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Give me my mushrooms.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's good.
That's good. Good stuff right there, boy. Shrimp, yeah. Can we get 2 of these to go?
2 chicken
Kumo
hibachis to go.
to go.
See that one woman walk right out in front of me, boy. She got to get in that store. And the other one's holding like a cradle my baby.
I know.
I hope it's not a big thing like this. We got the motorcycle.
A few moments later.
Okay.
You get 1 box?
One bus, yes.
Yeah, thank you.
That'll all fit, I think.
Yeah, I don't think we need to get any milk.
Let's see how much room we have.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you.
Don't forget the yum yum sauce. We gotta fit this in the bags. Very good, thanks. Now we gotta figure out how to get this on a motorcycle.
You want to put it on this side?
Yeah. I guess no milk today.
No milk today.
How much was that for 4 meals?
85, and then I put $10.
I forgot my glasses. Not open yet. Brother. Medicated. Don't worry, I'm always watching. Driving a bus, no less.
I
What the heck?
I bet he doesn't know the road and going too fast.
We'll take the scenic route. Tree must have fell on that. Jefferson Hill. They test all the bikes. What are you looking at? Something leaked a little bit. Good ride, Shadow.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.